How to change font size in Facebook iPhone app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change the font size on your Facebook on the iPhone app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change the font size on the Facebook app on iPhone, well, Facebook itself does not give you that feature. So on Facebook you have a static font over here, right? So let's say even if you go to settings over here, you would like to change the font size, you can see there's a search bar there, but if I just type in, let's say, font over here, you will not be able to see the font size over here. Now what you can actually do is, if you want to change the font size on the iPhone of the Facebook app, you have to change the font size of iPhone itself. So open up settings, go to display and brightness, and here you can see text size. Now you can simply choose to increase your text size, and as you increase your text size, whenever you open the Facebook app, the text size for the Facebook app will also get increased accordingly. So the trick here is to change the text size of your iPhone, and as a result it will change the text size of the iPhone Facebook app as well. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.